Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You need admin rights and the new VPN details. Once ready, open Start and navigate to Settings, then Network and Internet. Click VPN immediately to avoid extra menus, because this is where Windows 11 lists adapters and profiles. Make sure to note the active connection name so you can replace or edit it. If there's no VPN listed, click Add a VPN connection. This starts the precise form you will complete next. Keep credentials and server address handy for speed. Once done opening the VPN page, decide whether to add a new profile or edit an existing one. Edit preserves old settings if you need to revert. For a new entry, choose the VPN provider, enter the server name or IP, select the VPN type, ICAV2, L2TP, or OpenVPN via client, and set sign-in info, username/password, or certificate. Make sure to label the connection clearly so you recognize it later. And enable Remember My Sign-in Info to speed reconnections. After configuring, select the profile and click Connect. You should see status change to Connected. This verifies authentication. Then test by checking your public IP or running ipconfig/all to confirm the tunnel and DNS behavior. If it fails, try simple fixes. Disconnect and reconnect, toggle airplane mode, or restart the network adapter. Make sure credentials match exactly and try switching VPN type if your provider recommends it. If DNS leaks occur, enable the provider's DNS or use the client app for forced routing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.